Hi guys, and welcome to a new Christmas party outfits video. In this video I've got 10 different outfits to show you, and they all gonna be from ASOS this year. So I've got 10 different looks but for very different women, and I'm sure you're gonna love some outfit and you'll find out something helpful, so I hope you enjoy. Outfit number 1. This outfit is for lady who doesn't want to go too dressed up or too glam. She's not really bothered about dresses. She wants to feel flattered and comfortable. In this outfit, I'm wearing this white fluffy sweater. It feels so Christmassy for me, and I'm pairing this sweater with a red skirt of this kind of leather and animal print skirt, and it still looks very Christmassy because of the combination of white and red. It's one of my favorite combination. You can throw some red heels with this outfit, or you can even wear some black heels, or even flats will be fine too. If you are celebrating with a family or friends, or you're not planning to go to some party, you can wear some cozy shoes or some cozy I don't know, slippers, and just be at home with this casual and cozy outfit. And one more beautiful thing about that is that you can wear this sweater after Christmas, and even the skirt you can wear after Christmas using any oversized sweater. So I like this kind of pieces that you can wear after some event, because sometimes it's impossible to wear the dress one more time because it's too statement and everybody already saw this dress on you. So outfit number 2 for lady who loves her mini dresses, and this beautiful fox leather black blazer dress is amazing. You can go to the party like that, and if you are not feeling comfortable to show off your legs, then you can throw some pair of black tights, or you can even wear some overknee boots. Or one more option is to throw black leather leggings under this blazer dress, because it looks like a blazer for a total leather outfit. You will be stylish and trendy because total leather is on trend right now for this spring and for this fall winter season 2019-2020. If you didn't watch my previous video about trends, then I will leave a link below too. I've paired it with the black heels, and again, as I already mentioned, you can even wear some black overknee boots with this dress, and it just looks so sexy and so stylish, and you will be just looking amazing in this dress. So hot. And if you're thinking about getting this dress, then get the size up, because it feels like they're running a little bit smaller. Outfit number 3, I went for a big splash of a color with this metallic foil dress. It looks unreal. It looks just like from a different planet. It's so unusual and it's very structured. It's a tight fit, which makes the dress looks comfortable yet stylish and elegant. It's in a mini length, and also it has the statement shoulders, rush sleeves, and metallic colors will bring all eyes on you. So this dress I had to go for, and it's really kind of statement stunning dress for this season in gorgeous mini length, and I paired with the black heels again. But if you have a silver heels, then it will look amazing together because of the total silver outfit. And I think the color of this year, I'm not completely sure, but I think it's silver, because this year is a red year, you know what I mean, like the sign of the year is red, so this is the color. Yeah. In this dress I would go for the party, with my friends, with family. I can even celebrate with at home in this dress because it looks so festive, it looks so cool, like from a different planet. And again, if you decide to purchase this dress, only one thing I would recommend is to go size up again, because it's a little bit tight in the hip area. This area is fine because it's ruched and all the voluminous, but the hip area is a little bit tight. And outfit number 4 is for casual and family or friends related celebration of Christmas party or New Year's Eve. I'm wearing this super cute, cozy, warm, soft sweater in red color with this puff sleeves. Look at that, so voluminous and so cool. And I paired this sweater with the sequin pants in this beautiful grayish like color. I think they go amazing together, and you can go like that and celebrate with the family, with your friends, and you can throw some pair of heels and maybe to go to some Christmas party like that too, or you can wear some cozy flip-flops at home, or even some Santa socks with that like a red color, and it looks very festive because of the two together. It's red color and sequins, so that's why it looks so festive. Great option for ladies who don't want to wear any skirts or dresses. It's amazing option to wear some pants for Christmas, or if you're not feeling comfortable to wear dresses, then pants is a good idea, including myself. I love wearing pants and jumpsuits, some pantsuits. Outfit number 5, I had to throw a suit in here. I adore suits, and when I saw this one on ASOS website, I fell in love with this suit with this sparkle. It just looks amazing. Those pants that I showed you in the previous outfit, I just paired with the they come with this suit. This sequin embellished fabric in silver color is so perfect for this high shine season, and high-waisted sequin pants look so stylish. The blazer is kind of an oversized fit yet belted, and elegant belt helps accentuate the waist. If you want to make it a little bit more sexy, then go braless if you want to, or you can wear some camisole as well. It looks super cute. I'm not wearing anything right now, and I think some feather bag will look amazing with this, or some silver a little bag will go nice too, and pairing with some silver heels will go amazing with this pantsuit. I will go like this to the even for the family celebration, if you're just like celebrating with your family and not going to party. This outfit is amazing for that too. Or if you go to the party, I would throw some pair of nice heels, maybe the red ones or maybe the black ones will go nice, or some black strappy heels will go amazing with this suit. Just showing a little bit of leg, or if you can't show and it's too cold in your country, then you can wear some ankle boots with this. Outfit number 6, I'm pairing the same sequin blazer with the black mini skirt, and in this case I've decided to play with the two textures. It's sequin and fringes, and in this case I thought it's interesting and it looks okay to pair these two very statement kind of things, fringes and sequins, because it's Christmas time and it looks together. It looks so well because skirt is in this black color and the blazer in the gray color, so nothing is bright and nothing is just making an outfit like a not really balanced. Maybe you can wear some camisole underneath of a black color just to match with the skirt. Maybe it will be the silk camisole, and I wouldn't add any accessories to this outfit because it looks amazing without accessories, because we are combining these two very statement things together, but it still looks amazing. I would go like this to the nightclub, to some party, just to celebrate, because it looks so stylish. It looks so fun because it's mini, and when it's hot, when you're dancing, like super fun, you just can take off the blazer and just have the camisole underneath. It looks so stylish and so cute. Outfit number 7 is the experimental option. Interesting dress. This dress is for the brave girl who wants to have some fun during the Christmas party. I love this fox feather embellished fabric, and this pink color is so trendy and so hot, and I thought it would look great in a nightclub. The dress leaves the shoulders uncovered and flows down into button-down neckline. The rhinestone belt helps accentuate the waistline. The dress reaches just above the knees, so it's in a mini length, and it's the same length all around. I feel that this dress does make you a size bigger than you normally are, but if you're okay with that, then It's a nice option for the nightclub, as I already mentioned. Just throw some strappy heels with that, and maybe just to add some contrast, some biker jacket on top. Or if the length doesn't work for you, maybe you can try to pair this dress with some blue washed jeans too, for a casual look, or maybe for, I'm not sure if you can create the casual look with this dress, but for more casual look, let me know in the comments below what you think about this dress and if you would wear this dress. Outfit number 8. In this outfit, I've paired my red sweater with a fringed black mini skirt. I loved pairing over knee boots with the skirt, as I thought it's perfect for that girl who doesn't like to show off her legs that much. And it's in a tight fit and super stretchy fabric, which makes the skirt so comfortable yet festive and stylish. I will go like this to the party to celebrate with the family or my friends. Outfit number 9. I went for a total red look in this outfit, and I paired same red cozy sweater with a fox leather mini skirt. I went for a pair of white heels since I love the combination of red and white, and it reminds me of a candy cane, which I thought it's a cute outfit for Christmas. It's such a perfect time to look like a candy cane, isn't it? Outfit number 10. In this outfit is for lady who doesn't want to go too glam and love her neutrals, but wants to add some splash of a Christmas spirit to an outfit. Combination of white gentle sweater with the sequin pants is one of my favorite for a cozy Christmas dinner party. You will look casual yet Christmassy in this outfit, I thought, and I added a pair of black Versace heels, which makes the look more feminine and sexier. Plus you can dance salsa all night long in these shiny pants. Just switch the sweater to the lace camisole top, and voila! I hope you enjoyed this 10 Christmas party outfit ideas. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me in the comments down below what was your favorite outfit from this video, and also what you are planning to wear to your Christmas party. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!